everyone. I'm Koala Teacher from One English Academy, here to help with your homework. It's going to be fun. You'll see. If we go too fast, don't worry. Just hit pause. Take your time and catch up. It's all because if you hold on tight, we'll learn and grow. With every step, the more you'll know. Are you ready? Let's go! Today, we'll be reviewing Lesson 9, Adjectives. Adjectives tell us about the people, the places, or the things. They give us more details, like the color, the shape, or the size. Adjectives always come before the noun. For example, if our noun is tree, we need to add the adjective before our noun. What kind of tree? A big tree. Our adjective is big. Adjectives can also come after the verb to be. For example, the tree be verb is big adjective. The balloons be verb are what? They are red. There's two ways we can use adjectives. Before the noun or after the be verb. On page 28, the directions say to look, choose, and write. In our word box, we have cold, long, old, and tall. Number 1. 뱀이네. It is a 긴 or long snake. 또는 the snake be verb의 뒤에 is long. Number 2. 키가 크네. He is a tall boy. The boy is tall. Number 3. It is water. 시원하겠다. Cold water. The water is cold. Number 4. It is an car. The car is 오래된 차네. It is an old car. The car is old. Great job. Check your answers and let's go to the next page. On page 29, the directions say to look, read, and write. We need to unscramble these words to make the sentence. The coffee is hot. Number 2, the가 capital letter라서 먼저 나올 거고 what are we talking about? The bikes, be verb, are 새롭다, 새거다, are new. Number 3, who are we talking about? 애기들. The babies, be verb 나오고 are what? Are happy, Don't forget the period. Number 4. 우리 capital letter로 시작하는 단어가 어떤 거지? 여기 있네. He 나와서 he be verb가 뭐지? Is. He is a what kind of man? A short man. Very good. Number 5. capital letter 찾아서 it. It be verb는 is. It is 이게 뭐야? It is a table. 근데 what kind of table? A round table. Number 6. capital letter, she. She be verb는 is. She is a runner. What kind of runner? 무슨 runner? A fast runner. Good job. In part 3, we need to read and write. They are tall giraffes. The giraffes, be verb 먼저 나와서 are tall. Number 2, she is a happy baby. Our adjective is happy. Who are we talking about? Baby. 그러면 the baby is happy. Number 3, it is a new school. We are talking about the school. The school is adjective new. Very good. Number 4. He is a smart boy. 그러면 the boy is smart. And number 5. They are yellow buses. Yellow buses. The buses are 무슨 색? Yellow. Great job. Please check your answers and I'll see you at the last page. On page 30, we will be reviewing lesson 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Woo! We need to look and write. Number 1, this book isn't big. It is a small book. The girls aren't happy. They are sad. Number 3, the soup isn't cold. It's hot. Number 4, the clock isn't round. It's a 사각 square clock. Number 5, is there milk? Yes, there is. Remember, 질문이 있을 때는 remember, we need to use some or any. 근데 질문이어서 any를 사용해야죠. Number 6, what are they? They are 칼들. If it's one, we say knife. 여러 개 있을 때는 change the F-E to V-E-S. Knives. Number 7, whose, 누구 거? Whose bag is this? It's Ken의 가방. 그러면 Ken apostrophe S. Ken's bag. Number 8, are they? They are my grandpa and grandma. 누구야? Who are they? Great job. Number 2, are there cookies? Okay, cookies is plural. 어는 singular 때만 사용하고 여기 질문이잖아. We know that any는 negative이랑 질문 때 사용하는 거라서 any is correct. Number 3, there are horses. 오, any는 방금 얘기한 것처럼 negative이랑 질문이 있을 때만 사용하는 건데 이거 질문은 아니고 있다는 뜻이니까 we need to use some. There are some horses. Number 4, she is a happy baby. 아니면 she is a baby happy. 응? is a가 있으니까 beaver 바로 뒤에 안 나오니까 happy baby라고 쓸 거예요. Number 5, I see sun and some clouds. 오, 우리 인생에 딱 하나만 있는 sun. We need to say the sun. Fantastic! Please check your answers and stay for our review game. Let's start with number... Ready to play? Let's start with number 6. Ooh, what kind of table is this? A square table. Great. Number 1. 조금 무섭긴 한데 he's a happy clown. Very good. Number 5. 우, 굉장히 추워 보인다. This is cold 겨울. Cold winter. Number 7. 우, 새로운 건물인 것 같아. A new building. Number 2. Old man. 남자잖아. Man. Is he young or old? Old. 그러면 a 사용해야 돼요? 아니면 un? Good. An old man. 왜냐면 old는 vowel로 시작하니까. Number 9. Ooh, okay. 일단은 please tell me about this boy. A short boy. 이 남자는 a 키가 큰 tall boy. Very good. Number 4. A sad boy. And number 3. 키가 큰 tall giraffes. Very good. Remember, plural라서 a 또는 an 사용하지를 않아. Our last question. 나이 좀 있네. Old woman 아니라 women. Good job. 135. Very nice. You did an awesome job today. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work. You know what to do. I hope you'll miss me and be ready to play. Koala Teacher will see you in the next video. Okay? Bye!